So I get a lot of questions on some of my social media channels about testosterone replacement therapy. If you watch any of my channels, you probably know I am on testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, a very small dose, about 100 to 120 milligrams per week. And that really elevates my testosterone into the high range. My free testosterone is also high. Why is it important? Testosterone is produced in your body, and so it's a natural occurring substance. But if your testosterone is low, you might want to talk to your doctor about getting on TRT, where the testosterone comes from an exogenous source. It comes from the outside. So why? I've talked to a lot of doctors about this, listened to a lot of experts. And the reason you might want to consider it is because there's a lot of dangers of low testosterone. One, heart disease. And so if you're having symptoms of maybe brain fog, low libido, that's an obvious one, but brain fog, a lack of energy, a sudden change in your body composition, all of a sudden you're getting fat and you haven't changed anything, check with your doctor. If you have questions for me, just reach out to me, send me a message or leave a comment, and I will get back to you.